It is 8 a.m. Before you even sit down, your upcoming meetings are prepped, your relevant files are pulled, and your first strategy brief is already on screen. Standard AI usage treats the prompt box like a search bar, a place to fetch static information rather than a workspace to execute labor. Claude functions through agentic workflows, employing persistent memory and branching logic to manage complex, multi-step operations while you are offline. In just a few minutes, you will configure this blank chat box into a fully customized automated digital assistant. Consistent output always begins with the ICC framework: instructions, context, and constraints. You start by defining the exact task, establishing your specific background role, and setting firm rules for the final formatting and tone. To ensure the AI has everything it needs, end your prompt by asking Claude to list any missing information required for the best result. This context interview forces the AI to stop guessing and instead produce a targeted questionnaire, ensuring the final answer is tailored to your specific situation. Once that context is locked in, you can activate Agentic research to gather data that goes far beyond a basic web query. When tasked with research, Claude autonomously formulates a plan, searching, reading, and synthesizing data from dozens of websites simultaneously. This process effectively replicates the work of an intern spending 4 hours in a library, but finishes the task in a matter of seconds. Pairing a precise ICC prompt with agentic research provides a vetted, contextualized starting point for any high-level project. To make all of these results repeatable, we shift our focus from single conversations to building persistent memory through projects. Create a new, dedicated workspace and name it for a specific workstream, such as marketing strategy or product development. Within this folder, you upload your reference documents, brand guidelines, style guides, and successful past reports, so the AI can reference them permanently. Avoid the common mistake of placing your specific project instructions into the global account settings. By scoping these custom instructions locally inside the project, you ensure the right context is only applied to the relevant work. This setup removes the need to ever re-explain your brand tone or project history in a new chat. You have now built a sandbox where the AI understands your specific requirements before you type a single word. If workspaces provide the AI with memory, skills provide the muscle memory required to execute your routines. Skills allow you to automate complex, professional tasks without needing to manually rewrite your instructions every day. To power these skills, we use connectors, the link between Claude and your live external data. By navigating the customization menus, you can authorize integrations, linking Claude directly to your calendar and cloud storage apps. You can build a custom strategy brief skill by having Claude interview you about the specific steps in your weekly workflow. Once configured, the skill can scan your connected drive and calendar to generate a summarized report based on your live data. These outputs generate as artifacts, interactive side panels that allow you to view and edit the document without losing it in the chat scroll. Linking live data to your custom workflows makes Claude a central command for your professional operations. Let's look at the final workflow. You open your fully loaded workspace. You trigger the automated sequence with a single command to run your strategy brief skill. Claude immediately executes its background tasks, reading your guidelines, pulling live calendar events, and scanning drive documents. A structured strategy brief assembles in the side panel, formatted to the exact specifications of the guidelines and files stored in your project memory. A multi-hour administrative chore is now permanently reduced to a single click. Set up your first project workspace and custom skill today, and shift the heavy lifting of your job to your new digital coworker.